Many people struggling with poor sleep often forget or overlook basic aspects of their sleep environment. Believe me, these can really make a difference. First off, your mattress. Ensure you have a good mattress that matches your body type and sleeping position. If you're a heavy sleeper, it's more likely that firmer mattresses are more suitable for you. Side sleepers often need softer ones for better spinal alignment. Next, pillows and sheets. Choose a pillow that supports your neck and spine and sheets that help regulate your sleep temperature. Some fabrics are more suitable for warmer or colder climates. And don't forget to wash them at least once or twice a week. Noise level. A quiet bedroom is key. If noise is an issue, consider earplugs, white noise machines, or even noise blocking curtains. If you want, listen to soothing sounds to calm you or cover up the other noises that could keep you awake. Sleep tracking apps like Fellow offer a great selection of soundscapes and colored noises. Another one is temperature. Try to keep your bedroom cool. Studies suggest setting the temperature between 15.6 to 19.4 degrees Celsius or 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit is the best for a good night's sleep. Light exposure. As your bedtime approaches, avoid bright lights and minimize the time spent looking at screens. If possible, choose light bulbs for your bedroom that emit a warm ambient white light. If you use your phone as an alarm clock, consider using an app that can wake you up at the lightest possible sleep stage, like Pillow. Tap on the link in bio to learn more and find out what else you can do to optimize your sleep environment. If you liked this video, tap the like button and subscribe for more sleep hygiene hacks.